today I'm going to make ayam masak bawang. Okay, my style of course. So let's see what we need. We need chicken. Okay, I use chicken thighs for this. I'm using 5 pieces of chicken thighs. Then we need onions. This is 2 big onions and then 3 small onions. I just slice it a bit. Then we have lemongrass. We have some curry leaves. Okay, I use some green chilies. I love to put green chilies for my cooking. Some lime, some tiny limes or big lime, it doesn't matter what type of lime. Some tomatoes. Then we have the chicken curry spices. Okay, we have cardamom, we have cumin, fennel, star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. Okay, you don't have to put too much because I'm going to use garam masala. Then I have garam masala, which I'll be using later. Okay, I have some chili powder. This is pure chili powder. This is curry powder and turmeric. Okay, then I also have some grind ingredients. Okay, some grind ingredients. Okay, I'll tell you what is I have grounded up here. So here we have 1 onion, big onion, a few cloves of garlic, about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, a small slice of ginger, some lemongrass, and 2 kettle nut. Okay, I'm not an expert in this induction cooker, it's new to me. Okay, add some oil, put a bit extra oil. Then I'm going to put all the spices, just put it together, no problem. Okay, you don't have to separate it. Okay, stir fry the spices. I'm going to add some onions, all the onions, small onions, big onions, all the onions. Curry leaves too, lemongrass, and stir fry. Okay, start to get brown. I don't want to burn it, so I'm going to decrease the temperature first, and I'm going to remove some of it to put at the end. Okay, put it aside, and then let me put my chilies, green chilies, and my tomatoes together. Now the dried ingredients goes in. Okay. Stir fry it some. Let it cook. You want the smell of the rawness to go away, so let it cook first. At this point of time, I'm going to add the curry powder and chili powder. Okay, just add on top, don't mix it first. So I'm putting about, it depends on how spicy you want. I'm going to put 4 spoons of curry powder. If you want it spicy, you add more chili powder. I'm just putting a little bit of chili powder. That's fine. Okay, and a little bit of turmeric. You don't add the garam masala now. Garam masala now, we just cook it like this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to add in the chicken now, one by one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's the chicken, huh? And you mix it. I'm going to add a little bit water just to cook. Okay. Then I'm going to add the water from the grinder. this point of time, I'm also going to add the salt. I don't know when do you all add, but I like to add at this point, so it really is absorbed by the chicken. So I'm going to add the salt to taste. Okay, this is the amount I'm putting because not much chicken. Okay, and a little bit more. That's it. Okay, if it's not enough, you can add later. You stir it a bit, and then you cover it for a while. Let it cook about, let's say, about 10 to 15 minutes. It needs to cook. The chicken is quite big. Okay, we'll cover it now. Remove the cover. Let's see. Okay, it looks good. Now I'm going to add the garam masala. Okay, this garam masala is bought. You can buy in any shops. Just a teensy weensy bit, don't overdo it. And we stir fry it. I mean, stir it, not stir fry it. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. Then I'm going to add back the onions and all. Like I said earlier, remember I took it out? I'm going to add all this back in. And of course, the lime. Okay, I'll just use it straight away. I know some of you all may not do it. Maybe you are squeezed into a bowl. I have about 4 tiny limes. Since it's tiny, I'm using 4. Okay. The lime actually gives it a nice taste, and also it reduces the spiciness of this thing. Whatever curry you make, if you use lime, it reduces the spiciness and gives it a nice taste, better than vinegar. So that's why we use lime. You can use any lime, you know, even the big lime, but don't use too much. It's too sour and it won't be nice. Okay. That is sufficient. Okay, I'm going to cover it in a few minutes. Okay, I will open it and stir fry it. Okay, then I will increase the heat. The heat is quite low now. Okay, something near medium now. Okay, stir it, let it cook. I'm going to increase the fire so it will be a bit drier. I mean, not the fire, the temperature. Let's put fire here. It's waiting time. You've got to be patient when you cook something delicious. You've got to be patient. Since the chicken was a bit big, it takes longer. If you use, you do not use thighs, maybe you use keel or what, you cut it smaller, it will take faster to cook. Since it's thighs, I got to let it cook. Nobody wants to eat a bloody thigh, do you? No. So that's why I give it some time. Let me see. So it's really very good. I'll give it another 2-3 minutes. It's done. So this is ayam masak bawang, my style. Okay, as I said, if it's a Penang style, I'll put some oyster sauce and ketchup and all. I do not do it. Okay, my family likes it this way. Just nice, not too spicy. If you like to eat spicy food, I think you should add some more chili powder. I like it just this way. My kids like it like this. And it's not too dry because my kids like to have some gravy. Okay, it depends on your family. If you prefer gravy, you take it out at this point. If you don't prefer, you let it dry further. You just stir it until it dries properly. Okay, thank you. See you again with another vlog, another recipe. Bye.